So here is a close-up of the prototype Branchline coach. This was 3D printed, trying to show you all the details. Um, Here is the front, inside. Pictures don't show everything. Sometimes you cannot appreciate all the details, but this one you can make it even perfect or smoother by painting it over with primer, or you can just sand it, but sanded is going to leave a white mark. I think it's just good as it is. So what you gotta do is grab one of these old Annie or Plarail, Tomy, Hitoi, or Mattel. Remember the old styles, not the new ones. And then swap the top and use the same screw that comes with Annie or Clarabelle. And then we just put it back here. One moment, trying to do the demo. And this piece is already threaded, so you don't have to worry about it's screwed in, perfect fit, the right size for the chassis of Annie and Clarabelle. So now you can have or make your own branch line coach, have your branch line coach. Check the link below. It's available now. Now, if you are trying to add several items, like if you want to buy 2, 3, or 4, add the items to your cart and then request the total from the seller, or even eBay will update the total invoice, shipping, discount, whatever. So there you have it. Branch line coach. Cool.